Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up FSG. First, identify your specific reporting needs and the data sources required. Next, ensure all your financial accounts are properly categorized and ready for integration. Then, proceed with the initial software installation or log into your cloud-based FSG system. This foundational step is crucial for accurate and efficient financial reporting. We will guide you through each stage to ensure a smooth setup process. Now, let's configure your FSG reports. Begin by setting up essential parameters like reporting periods and the primary currency, for example, US dollars. Carefully map your general ledger accounts to the appropriate FSG reporting lines to ensure data accuracy. Finally, tailor the report layouts to meet your specific presentation needs, perhaps adding a company logo or adjusting column widths for better readability. This customization ensures your reports are both informative and professional. Moving on to advanced FSG features, discover how to utilize drill-down functionality for detailed transaction analysis. Implement automated scheduling to generate and distribute reports weekly or monthly, saving valuable time. If you encounter data discrepancies, systematically review your account mappings and data inputs. Many issues can be resolved by verifying the source data against your FSG configurations. These steps will help you maximize your system's potential. To maintain optimal performance, regularly review and update your FSG configurations, especially after any changes to your chart of accounts. Ensure all new team members receive comprehensive training on generating and interpreting FSG reports. This promotes consistency and reduces errors. Remember, a well-maintained system provides reliable insights. Also, check the description for a link to Grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Keeping your workspace fresh is just as important as keeping your data clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.